Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. I have another special unboxing to do to show you guys today. This is something really cool now. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. My good friends over at Blue. Check them out. Links will be down below. Especially give them a follow on their social media feeds. I'll leave their links for those also down below. And now we're going to show you the future. Say goodbye to those business cards. This is what you're gonna need. So let's check out what they sent us, but really cool people to talk to also, and really cool project they have right here, and it's also available for purchase right now. Ooh. Great stocking stuffers if you don't know what to give somebody for this upcoming season. A nice little gift box. Feels like Christmas in October. Alright. Cut it open. Hey. Nice secured. Oh boy. Definitely excited to show you guys this. Something really cool though. Especially now if you're in the public going out to the gym. You're going to need like a trainer or a photographer. This is something really cool to show. There we go. Way cool to show. Alright guys, here it is. Everybody meet my boy Blue. Coming up. Oh, got a little note. This is a NFC and Bluetooth tech. Oh baby, look at this. Smart sockets, smart grip. Try me, tap to the phone. So basically, stick this somewhere, like in your business, by the register, or anywhere, like big bag, any spot you have. And they just zap it with their phone, and it'll bring up all your social media links, your contact, to get a hold of you, especially for photographers, masseuse, hairstylists, pretty much anything in the world. Especially right now, what's going on in the world, this is definitely going to be handy. Whoa. We got a business card also. So instead of carrying like hundreds of them, like we did in the old days, all you need is one. Tell them to zap it with their phone. This is Blue's smart button. Whoa. Place your smart button on your mobile phone or anywhere you would like to simply tap your button. NFC compatible. Oh boy. So now I'm going to have to set this up. Nice little package. I think each one has a different price on them. So definitely check it out. Click the link down below. We're going to set this thing up. Got the iPhone right here. Got the Galaxy recording. And it fits pretty much all phones, tablets. We're going to do this one first. It should be easy. Yep. See, there's going to be a social app. And I'll have your links down below of your social feeds like Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Vimo, phone app, maybe Cash App too. It's simple. Google Play, App Store. And you can always use a QR code to scan it. But we'll just type in, if I can find the App Store. Just gotta go into your search menu. I don't want to try no games. Nope. Blue social app, or should be right there. Blue social. Aha. Oh. Right there it is. Blue virtual name tag. This would be so cool. So I think This is the name tag one. Okay, got the install going on. Should take a few seconds. My internet is working great today finally. Here we go. Especially if you're starting up your businesses and want to get your name out. This is it right here. You don't need to spend a crazy amount of money on business cards. Okay, you see it tells a little description. Social. There's no ads, so like link the other one. Link like how they have that. This one is really good. Really secure too. See, they showed the demo. Just gotta zap it. Bam. Okay. Hello, let's get started. Alright, I'm gonna pause this. Be right back. Alright guys, once you enter your info, like your screen name, username, password, email, phone number, it's gonna send you a text message. You're gonna want to put it in a code. So, and then bada boom. You could have all your apps right here. YouTube link, Apple Music link, PayPal username, holy smokes. TikTok link, Twitch username, Amazon wish list you could do. Or like for me, you could do anything. House party link, WeChat, Venmo, SSC, Telegram, Apple Podcasts, Patreon, Cash App. So, let's see how easy it is to grab it. Instagram, okay. East out. 79. Don't have ChatNet or Snapchat. Facebook, I'll have to do that later. YouTube link. Pull up a second. In 1 sec. Okay guys, so I got this pretty much filled out with my YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and I feel like my art website right there. So, Cash App, Twitch, and then Amazon. So hit done. Continue. And a smart card. Yeah, buddy. So we're gonna do the smart card. I like this idea though. This is really cool, guys. Look at that. Boom. Especially all you people in college right now also, that they're still out there. It's be a good thing to have. Because a lot of people don't want to grab things from people. This, hey, but you know, this whip out this card. Tell them to scan it with their phone. Here we go. Where do I scan it? Oh, it's serial holes right there. Hold the blue smart upper back. I think I got it. Oh, try again. Aha. Whoa. So there I am. On networking mode. Whoa, it shows where I'm at too. See, I'm gonna have to get a lot of businesses to, because I've got a lot of hair salons out here too that I've had to use to show them. So this is really cool. Scan it. Boom. you can show all that good stuff right there. That was super easy. Alright, we got that part done. Now let's see what other goodies you can do. Shopping. A smart card. I think that's about it though on that. Alright guys, also say if you're going to like esports gaming conventions or any other conventions and you know there's a lot of gamers around, this is perfect for them also. So all you gotta do is go tap, zap, boom, tap and zap. Hopefully I get the Twitch. There we go. And it pulls up their Twitch account right there. So really cool. You don't need to carry extra business cards or just tell them write it down or anything like that. It's on this magical card, guys. Super lightweight, just like a credit card size ID. Like I said, they got these options also. I do believe coming pretty soon, but they all work pretty much the same. And there you go. So hello, my name is Blue. Welcome to the new world, guys. Super crazy technology. Just gotta tap your phone. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night and see you guys soon.